If you want to stand, starting off with this prayer position, put your hands in front. Happy with them. And this, I'm telling you this story, we're doing claps, by the way. Clap your hands like this together. I'm telling you this story because sometimes you're wondering, you know, where are my boobs? But you don't realize that you're still super young, that you're still growing, evolving, and sometimes puberty just hits late. Sometimes you're just a late bloomer, so don't worry. When you're young and doing this workout to get boobs, it will be all right. Again, clap, but this time with your hands in the prayer position. So don't worry too much about that, like the size of your boobs. It doesn't really matter. Even if you're like 80 and you have small boobs, it doesn't matter. But especially when you're young, maybe they will still grow. You never know. Just try to not be insecure about it because your value is not in the size of your boobs. You're way more than that. I hope you guys realize that. We're going to do the elbow scissors again. So that's just a little, I don't know, side note that I wanted to say in this video because that's really important to me. I hope that you don't do this workout because you're insecure. This workout is just purely to lift the chest. So when my boobs grew a little bit, I noticed that with these kind of exercises, I could actually lift them and make them more firm, and that made me so happy. So that's when I decided to do these kind of exercises on a daily basis, and they have really helped me to make my breast a little bit more perky. So I hope that this helps for you as well. I recommend doing this every single day and repeating this for 2 weeks straight. We'll have the full workout schedule below. And that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you feel like you want to continue